Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Your PlayStation 5 relies on liquid metal for superior cooling, but over time, it can degrade or even shift slightly. This phenomenon, often called pump out, might reduce its cooling effectiveness, potentially causing your console to run warmer than it should. Ensuring your PS5 processor has excellent thermal contact is key to maintaining peak performance, especially during long gaming sessions, and helps ensure your console stays healthy for many years. Before diving in, make sure you have the right tools ready. You'll need fresh liquid metal, high-purity isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and soft, lint-free microfiber cloths. A set of precision screwdrivers is essential for opening the console safely, and setting up a clean, static-free workspace is crucial. Remember, always unplug your PlayStation 5 and take steps to discharge static electricity for your safety and the console's. The first major step is carefully opening your PlayStation 5. Take your time and follow a detailed guide to ensure you remove all the correct screws and components. Once you gain access to the main processor, the APU, it's time to gently clean off any remaining liquid metal using high-purity isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Make sure the surfaces are absolutely pristine and dry before moving on to the next crucial step. Now for the critical part, applying the new liquid metal. Remember, less is often more. You just need a very thin, even layer across the entire integrated heat spreader of the APU. Use a cotton swab or a clean applicator to gently spread it out. For newer practices, you might also consider adding a protective barrier, like a thin layer of conformal coating or electrical tape, around the chip to help prevent any future liquid metal migration. With the liquid metal reapplied, it's time for careful reassembly. Work backward through your disassembly steps, making sure every connector is firmly seated and all screws are gently tightened. Avoid over-tightening anything, as that can cause damage to sensitive internal parts. Once it's all back together, power on your PlayStation 5 and run some demanding games. Keeping an eye on the temperatures to confirm your repair was a complete success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.